The Labor Party's holding off pre-selecting a candidate to challenge for the federal seat of Denison to keep the sitting member on side. Independent MP Andrew Wilkie is a key player in keeping Labor in power federally, and the Tasmanian branch has been urged not to risk upsetting him.
Amid plummeting opinion polls and union backlash over budget cuts, the Labor Party's trying to look forward. It's launched a campaign for renewal as part of a national overhaul to increase membership, drive new policies and become more appealing to voters.
We're making wholesale changes to try and reinvigorate the party and also try and deepen our connections with local communities.
But the community won't be offered a Labor candidate to challenge federal Denison independent Andrew Wilkie for another year. A key player in keeping federal Labor in power, the ALP doesn't want to risk upsetting him.
There's certainly a view that people want to work with Andrew Wilkie at a federal level, at a parliamentary level, at an organisational level. There is a strong view that we should pre-select sooner rather than later.
Mr Wilkie says it's a matter for the ALP and he's not weighing into it. The opposition isn't holding back. It's seized on spending of $4.2 million for new education positions to support principals, while schools face budget cuts.
If ever there's an indication of a government and a political party that's lost its way, it's when they're spending money on another layer of bureaucracy.
You've got a state opposition member complaining about investment in education when it's actually paid by the federal government.
Labor hopes its federal counterparts will also pay more than $4 million in bonus health funding, despite budget cuts to elective surgery, making it unlikely Tasmania will meet its required targets.
Arguably, it's because of the federal GST receipts collapsing and the federal money to the state why we are in this situation.
We shouldn't have a situation where Michelle O'Byrne just slashes and cuts and burns our health system, then expects the federal government to bail us out.
It's a debate that's sure to continue. Amanda Lovell, ABC News.